In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up space on your Windows C drive, and this pretty much works for every version. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the search bar in the bottom and type in run. Now once we're here, the first thing we're going to type in is Prefetch. Now press OK on run, and you're going to see a bunch of files here. So click on any file, press Ctrl A, and press delete to get rid of them. Now you're going to notice that this pops up. You will not be able to delete all of the files here. Just try and delete as many as you can to free up any additional space. Now once you've done that, exit here. We're going to go to search again, and we're going to type in run. Now, the next thing we're going to type in is temp. So this is going to bring up any of our temp files. I don't have a lot because I just deleted them, but click on any file similar to the previous step, press Ctrl A, and press delete. Now we're going to do this for all current items and continue. We're going to have a few files left over. That's okay. Now we're going to exit this. We're going to do the same step again. You're getting the pattern here. Go to run. And now we're going to type in %, temp, %. Now press OK. We have some more temp files here. So click on any item, press Ctrl A, and press delete. Now we're going to do this for all current items, and let's try again. So there's going to be some left over. That's totally okay. You freed up a ton of space already. So now we're going to exit, and this is the last time, I promise. Type in run, and we're going to select on here. Now type in WS reset. This is going to clear the cache on your Windows Store. So this will only take a few moments. You'll know it's worked once the Windows Store actually pops up. It only takes a few seconds, and we have done it. Now we're going to exit the store, and the next thing we're actually going to do is go to the search bar and type in Control Panel. So the next thing I highly recommend, which is going to save you a ton of space, is deleting any programs you don't actually use. So you'll see right here, uninstall a program. I can't tell you how many times I've gone on here and seen a program that I haven't used in over a year, and it's taking up gigabytes of space. So have a look through, see if there's anything you could potentially delete. And once you've done that, now we're going to go to this arrow in the top to bring up this PC. So click on here, and this is our actual C drive. Now click on the C drive, go to Windows, and now we're going to scroll on downwards towards Software Distribution. You'll find it probably about halfway down. So click on Software Distribution, go to download, and you should have files here. Again, I re-recorded this video and I've already deleted them, but click on any of the files and press Ctrl A delete to get rid of them. These are essentially just leftovers from previous software updates. So once you've done that, we're going to exit, and now we're going to go to the search bar and type in D, and then here we have defrag and optimize drives. Now I recommend you do this for your hard drive probably about once a month or so. This just organizes everything on it and makes it a little bit faster, as well as getting rid of anything unnecessary. So all you need to do is select the C drive and press optimize, and it'll take probably a couple of hours or so, but you can still use your computer while this is running. So once that's done, you can exit it. And from here, we're going to go back to search. And now we're going to type in disk cleanup, if I can spell it right. Here we go. Disk cleanup. Now, once you're here, you're going to see a bunch of different things that you can check off. I've emptied mine recently, so I don't have much. However, when I did first initially empty it, it had over 300 megabytes worth. So you can have a look through, you can empty your recycle bin, among other things, just a lot of temp files. Now do recognize the fact that when you press OK, it's going to ask you, this is going to permanently delete everything. Are you okay with it? Just make sure you're not deleting anything potentially that you might need. Now my stuff, it's just the recycling bin and everything. I'm going to delete all this stuff, and it only takes a couple of moments. So after you've done all of this, you've probably saved at least a couple of gigs, if not tens of gigs of space on your C drive. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.